holding as one in this graceful 360-degree rolling maneuver. Over the top, you get a platform view of that tight blue angel diamond. Are approaching the flatland once again. This time, Lieutenant. For a maneuver we call the Fortis. Minimum radius turn. Now, let's watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the pull of gravity required to cross their aircraft over center point. Separation. The tuck-away cross. Changeover roll, a precise transition from echelon against the beautiful Oregon sky. Completing the changeover roll to the right. Let's watch as they climb into the vertical to set up for their next maneuver, the line-up wrestling in combat. This gives the pilot an excellent opportunity to maneuver behind an enemy aircraft. themselves by looking 90 degrees from the flight path toward Commander Rood's aircraft. At an altitude of 7,000 feet, the power is eased as the aircraft round out the backside of this 5-plane line-abreast loop. Climbing back forms a split-S reversal turn back to the flight line. Center point. He will climb the formation straight up into the vertical. Reaching 90 degrees nose up, the diamond will split, with all 4 aircraft exiting in separate directions. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel vertical break. The Blue Angel load in a separate direction. Let's watch as Commander Rood calls, ready, break. Approaching center point. They will roll their aircraft 270 degrees in section. The double tip-over roll. The aircraft you've been watching perform here this afternoon is the McDonnell Douglas FA-18 Hornet. It is the first naval jet designated as both a fighter and an attack aircraft. This rugged tactical jet has earned an unparalleled reputation for dependability, reliability, and weapon accuracy. It is built by the McDonnell Aircraft Company in conjunction with the Northrop and Hughes corporations. Go 360 degrees over center point. Over the top, you get a planform view of the Blue Angel Delta formation. Final stages of their rendezvous, and will shortly be back on the wings of Commander Rood and Blue Angel number 1. The fleur-de-lis rendezvous complete. Passing the vertical, Commander Rood tilts his head back, picking up the flight line here at Hillsborough. Over the top, He's floating the formation to put...
I don't want to give it in my hand.
Yeah, he already.
Oh, dear.
Where do you come from? Where are you?
What's that? You want a piece of bread?
You are eating my lunch.
You want
Marmot, that fat marmot.
Oh, that's right.
Yellow belly marmot. Yellow belly, Mom. Yellow belly.
So friendly.
Pretty fat guy, too.
Yeah, I want someone.
Oh, do you want some bread?
Oh, look at that.
It's so neat.
Giving up on me.